I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in apartment 1812 in Tower 2, looking southeast toward the Willis Tower and a loop, and the new BMO Tower, short walk away. Turn in for a look into a spacious, angled living dining area. Angled windows look out to the north. Plenty of space here to accommodate a variety of furniture. Windows have ledges to accommodate your plants. Pendant lighting above a pass-through into the kitchen. White quartz marble veined counters. Tile backsplash. Gray cabinetry. Microwave oven is built in, and there's a 4-burner electric range. Refrigerator freezer with an ice maker and a dishwasher. Undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. Directly opposite the kitchen, we have a bath. Plank flooring from the living area extends into the bath. A nice sized vanity with a vanity with mirror up above and a tub shower combination. Heading back toward the entryway, a walk-in closet with both shelving and hanging space. Turning into the bedroom, it's carpeted, spacious enough to accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture, your home office desk if you'd like, and you have a wide closet. Presidential Towers has a very convenient location, wide variety of apartments with different finishes, extensive amenities. Definitely want to have Presidential Towers on your must-visit list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.